Hi everyone, I'm Chandler Call, and I did my project and research on Dillard's. A company overview of Dillard's is the first store opened in Nashville, Arkansas in 1938. It was called TJ Dillard's. They sell apparel, cosmetics, and home goods. There's 282 stores across America, and it's located in 29 states. It's not international. The headquarters are in Little Rock, Arkansas. It has over 40,000 employees, and since 1995, there's been $5.92 billion in sales. The keywords and core values that I chose for Dillard's are welcoming, diverse, convenient, established, and expansive. I chose welcoming because they are welcoming to people of all shapes, sizes, genders, races, and for the same reason I chose diverse. They're also convenient because it's a one-stop shop for many things such as clothes, shoes, cosmetics, home goods. They're established. They've been around for a long time, and they are a well-known name when it comes to thinking of department stores. And they are expansive. They are looking to expand as much as they can to as many places and states as they can. The advertising problem that I identified is consumers do not always consider shopping at Dillard's when trying to stay up to date with fashion trends. And the objective is consumers should believe that Dillard's has the most up-to-date fashion trends. And the core message is Dillard's is up with the times. The first part of my target audience profile is a girl named Lauren. Lauren is a female. She's 26 years old. She graduated from the University of Alabama with a bachelor's degree in marketing, and she owns a boutique in Birmingham, Alabama. Her income is $100,000 a year because of her social media presence and how well her store is doing. She graduated in 2017 and has a very keen eye for social media and fashion. Her race is white. Her nationality is American. Her religion is Christian. Her relationship status is dating. She's been dating the same boy for 5 years who also graduated from the University of Alabama and has a degree in finance. And her family status is she's the only daughter and youngest of 2 children. She grew up in very upper class. Her dad is an investor. So she never really had to work or worry about money, but it was always very important for her to be able to make her own money and have her own business one day. And her social class is upper middle class, and her parents are definitely upper class. My second target audience profile is Raymond. He is 42-year-old male. He has a bachelor's degree in political science from a small community college in his hometown of Atlanta. He's a nonprofit owner, and his income is $50,000 a year. His race is African American, and his nationality is African American. His religion is Christian, and his relationship status is married. He's been married to the same woman for 15 years, and he has 3 daughters. The oldest is 12, and the youngest is 5. His degree is in political science, which was his goal so that he could start the nonprofit after he graduated. His social class is middle class, and he doesn't care too much about fashion but wants to look nice and professional. This is my first deliverable. It's a web advertisement for the website. This is because of Dillard's focus on their website. I decided to create both of these web advertisements that promote major sales, which is also a marketing tactic that they use frequently. This makes it ideal for my target audience because they are very busy and are not likely going to take the time to go to Dillard's. Instead, they can find great deals online. My first deliverable would be good for Lauren because she would likely be interested in the large discount of Sam Edelman shoes, and will be able to order them easily while focusing on her own boutique and not having to leave to get them. My second deliverable would be good for Raymond because he is also very busy and doesn't have time to go shopping, but wants to look nice and put together. Therefore, when shopping online, he'll be able to find what he needs at a discounted price. Thank you for listening.